Here I have Samsung Galaxy M04, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Mobile Hotspot. So by tapping it once you can switch your hotspot. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change your hotspot's name, you can change its password, you can change its IP band, you can change its security protocol. In advanced you can also change its broadcast channel, you can set mobile data limit, you can change MAC address type, you can set it turn off timeout when no devices are connected. You can also hide your network and protect its management frames. You can also manage connected devices here and display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.